Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another exhilarating episode where we put the latest gadgets head to head so you can make the smartest buying decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than a summer barbecue. It's the Istone HS720 GPS drone versus the Istone i5 drone. Hold on to your seats, folks, because this is going to be one bumpy flight. On the left, we have the Istone HS720, a drone that's so cool, it practically flies itself. And on the right, the istone 5, a drone that's perfect for those who think budget is the best accessory. Which one will dominate the skies? Let's dive in and find out. First up, let's talk cameras. The Istone HS720 rocks a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization. That's right, folks, 4K. Because why settle for less when you can count every single leaf on a tree? Meanwhile, the Istone i5 offers a 1080p camera. It's like comparing a blockbuster movie to a VHS tape. Sure, it gets the job done, but don't expect to see the pores on your friend's face from 300 feet up. Reviewers rave about the HS720's camera quality, noting that it captures clear and detailed footage. On the other hand, reviews for the Istone 5 mention that while the camera is fun for casual use, it struggles with choppy and grainy video quality. Next, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay in the air. The Istone HS720 comes with 2 batteries, giving you a combined flight time of 52 minutes. That's almost an entire episode of your favorite TV show. On the other hand, the Istone 5 gives you a solid 30 minutes with its 2 batteries. I mean, it's not bad if you're planning to film a TikTok dance, but don't expect to make a feature-length film. Reviewers of the HS720 appreciate the extended flight time, noting that it allows for longer sessions and more fun. Meanwhile, Istone 5 users find the flight time adequate but not exceptional. Now, let's get smart with intelligent features. Istone HS720 is like the Einstein of drones. GPS-assisted flight, follow me mode, and automatic return when the battery is low or the signal is lost. It's practically a flying genius. The Istone i5, while not exactly dumb, offers more basic features like headless mode and hand gesture control. It's like comparing a smartphone to a flip phone from 2005. Reviewers love the HS720's intelligent features, especially the GPS and return-to-home functions, which add a level of safety and convenience. On the other hand, reviews for the Istone 5 highlight that while it's fun to fly, it lacks advanced features and can be unreliable. Alright, let's talk portability. Istone HS720 is foldable and comes with a carrying case, making it easy to take on your next adventure. But the Istone i5 takes it a step further with a design so compact it could fit in your pocket. That's right, folks, pocket-sized. It's like bringing a mini-me version of a drone wherever you go. Reviewers find the HS720 convenient to carry around thanks to its foldable design, but they also appreciate the Istone 5 for its ultra-portable size, making it a favorite for spontaneous adventures. Finally, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The Istone HS720 will set you back $249. It's an investment, but you get a lot of bang for your buck. On the flip side, the Istone i5 is a steal at $119. It's like buying a ticket to a budget airline. Sure, you might miss out on the luxury, but you'll still get to your destination. Reviewers generally feel that the HS720 offers good value for its price, thanks to its advanced features and build quality. However, The istone 5 also gets points for being a budget-friendly option, even if it comes with some compromises. Overall, reviewers are impressed with the Holystone HS720 for its advanced features, camera quality, and longer flight time, making it a great option for serious drone enthusiasts. On the other hand, the istone HS720 5 receives mixed reviews, with users appreciating its affordability and portability, but noting issues with camera quality and reliability. There you have it, folks. The Holystone HS720 is like the luxury SUV of drones, packed with features, longer flight time, and top-notch camera quality. The istone HS720 5, on the other hand, is like the reliable hatchback, compact, affordable, and perfect for those quick trips. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to see if I can get these drones to bring me a coffee. Fly smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.